वेर्ना इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट आशिल्ल्या उद्देगाक लागून वेर्ना आनी आशिकुशिकच्या वाठारांतलें उदक उणें जालां. तशेंच खुबशा इंडस्ट्री लागून प्रदूशीत जाता, पूण हाचेर कोणाचेंच नियंत्रण ना. ते खातीर लोकांनी आतां एकठांय येवन ह्या विरोधांत आवाज उठोवपाक जाय अशी मागणी नागवा वाठारांतल्या नागरिकांनी केल्या.
Today there are all sorts of industries, and these industries that are come are polluting our groundwater. The major issue here is that there are 172 bore wells extracting groundwater from the ground and using them for their production. That is depleting our groundwater. Secondly, the pollutants that are the byproduct of these industries are also being discharged in open spaces, and they are polluting the groundwater. This Verna is a land of 32 springs and the source of river Sal. So all these pollutants go into the river Sal and river Zuari, thus polluting the surroundings and the surrounding village wells. Secondly, there is land that was acquired for SEZs. Now 26 lakh square meters that was acquired for SEZ. I was the petitioner. I got it back for Verna Industrial Estate because it was given illegally. Now this land, of which 5 lakhs is being auctioned, this is a very serious issue. This auctioning of land, the bill is start somewhere around 5,000 something, whereas if a normal person had to go and get this land, it would have been something like 2,800 rupees per square meter. So this we are objecting to, because a common man, a Goan, for whom we had sacrificed, our villagers had sacrificed this land, cannot afford to open an industry, and all other major industries will come and acquire this land.
There has to be somebody monitoring, checking, controlling what is happening. Here, it is absolutely free for all. It clearly shows the way these two industries have been exposed. Like that, we don't know how many more there are. And if we do not control it now, there is no future left for us here. We only request the people to be there, come forward and approach the people in the right way. We don't require to make noise and agitations. We require to meet the right people and get it done nicely.